So this is going to be the before and after makeup transformation again. You guys already know that I started this a long time ago. Please follow me on all my social media and let's get right into this damn video, please. So I'm gonna start first with her eyebrows. So I'm just gonna be using the Anastasia pomade in the shade Ebony, and I'm gonna be using a Dose of Colors angled brush for that. So I'm just gonna be going ahead and filling in all the sparse areas that she needs to be filled. She has really dark eyebrows already. I just want to emphasize that and just make them perfect. So right here, I'm just going to be drawing a little bit of flicks in the front of the eyebrow. And then we're going to be flipping over the brush and going in with the spoolie side. And then right after I, stroke all of these hairs in, I will go in with that brush, lift the eyebrow a little bit up, and then start blending and blending with that spoolie. It's going to look amazing, guys. So now I am going... Yeah, she's eating. Can you believe that? We're going to be taking a little bit of Tarte Shape Tape and the color light medium. I'm going to be using that on a Morphe angled brush. And I'm just going to be sculpting out and carving out her eyebrows. I just love to do this. It makes eyebrows just look like such perfection. And that's why I always like to do this. So if you guys do not know, this is my best friend from more than like 10 to 12 years. We went to elementary school together, and we've just been inseparable ever since that. So that's why I'm just glamming her, and she's gonna be looking flawless today, guys. And if you guys didn't see my other video with her years ago, that one hit over 2 million views, guys. I will leave that down in the description box below. So after we did her eyebrows, we're going to move on to eyeshadow. So we're going to be taking the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette. I'm going to be using that light transition shade just to use all over the eyelid, just to, soften up that eyeshadow base and allow, because this shadow is going to allow all of the other eyeshadows to blend really seamless and nice. Then I'm going to be going in with this mustardy brown. This is my absolute favorite shade in the palette, guys. And I'm going to be starting out with the outer corner and then working my way in with that as well. So you just want to go in the outer corner and then work it into the crease, whatever's left. And I'm just going to be following that on the other eye. And then, guys, you just want to just start building and building that color up, because this is going to be our transition color. I just love how this color looks. And you guys, it's my favorite shade. I don't know why. It's just such a beautiful shade. Then we're going to be going into that palette and we're going to be taking that really red wine color. It's so rich and it's so vibrant, guys. I love this shade. So I'm going to be starting out in the outer corner as well, doing the same kind of thing, keeping it a little bit lower when we go into the crease. And then we're just going to keep going over and over and over. And I really want that inner corner to be defined as well, because we are going to be doing a half cut crease. And it's just going to look so beautiful when we cut it and add a shimmery color on top. So we're just going to be doing that until we get the intensified look and color payoff that we are looking for, guys. And then I'm going to go back into that brush that we first used and start blending all of those colors together so it looks so cohesive. Now we're going to be taking my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. You guys know I love this for cutting the crease and taking that same eyebrow brush that we used to clean it up. And we're going to be going ahead and starting with the inner corner of the eye and just swiping upward. And I really, really love cutting the crease, guys. It's so good and it's so trending right now. And it's so beautiful. And it just adds so much detail to an eye look. And make sure you guys just pull up the eye just a little bit, just so that way you can get that very sharp circled precision that we are all looking for. As you guys can see, I'm taking it very, very slowly. I'm just going to be taking my time with that. And then we're going to be going in with the only gold shade in the palette. I'm sorry, guys, I did not show the gold shade. I was in a rush. But, yeah, guys, so I'm just going to go all along the line and put it where I, cut the crease. And it's going to look so amazing. And, but yeah, guys, so it's the only gold shade she has in the palette. And it's so beautiful. Look, that red with the gold just really ties in the look, and it just looks so beautiful, guys. I love it. Then we're going to be going in with that red wine color again, and we're going to start blending everything in And I really want that wine color to really fade into that gold shade, just so that way it doesn't look so harsh and it just looks really blended. And for that, I'm using a Morphe M514 brush. It's a really small defined brush. So then we're going to be taking our Sigma Wicked Gel Liner. We're going to go across the eyelid first. You guys, this is like one of my favorite gel liners. If you want to get anything, at a discount price, you can use the code Makeup by Junior. I will have my coupon code listed down below, and that's off any Sigma product. So right here, I'm just going to be adding a wing. And you guys, I love wing eyeliner now. Now that I can do it, I've been doing it a lot lately, guys, and it looks so beautiful on her. And with this eyeshadow look, I felt like it needed it. So I'm just going to be going in with that Sigma gel liner once again, like I said. And you guys can use any coupon code, not any coupon code. You guys can purchase anything off of Sigma's website with my coupon code. That's what I mean. So now we're going to be going in with the Dodo lashes. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know these are the ones I'm rocking all the time. And you can also use my coupon code Makeup by Junior for a discount. They're 3D Mink, cruelty free. And you guys, it just looks so beautiful. And they're only $12. And on top of that, you can use my Makeup by Junior coupon code to get even an additional discount. So now we're going to be going in and using a foundation for her. This one's a full coverage foundation. I think this one is the new Maybelline one. I will have it listed down below, guys. It's super full coverage, guys. And I'm just using a Morphe sponge. I'm going to be going ahead and blending that all together. Don't worry, guys. It looks like not her shade right now, but trust me, by the end of the video, you guys will get why. Because we're going to cream contour and do all of that. So then now we're going to be going ahead and putting some Tarte Shape Tape under her eyes, because that's what we are going to use for her concealer. I love this concealer, guys, because it's so fucking full coverage, like super full coverage. And you guys, this Morphe sponge is like a dream. It's so amazing. You guys will love this Morphe sponge. I really recommend it, because it's only $5 or $5.99. You guys cannot go wrong with that. So then now we're going to be taking the deep shade from the Tarte Shape Tape. And this one is it's just a darker concealer in the shade Deep. And we're just going to start cream contouring, guys. Going along the cheekbones, jawline, the forehead. And we're going to be using that same blending sponge from Morphe just to go ahead and blend out that cream contour, just because I want those cheekbones to really pop. And my friend really has nice cheekbones. And make sure, guys, when you guys are blending in that cream contour, that you go into the hairline, just so it looks so much better and so like blended and cohesive. You don't want it to look like a mask. So even though that's what we're going for that full coverage look. We're going for that dramatic porcelain, fakeness, but you still want to look good and blended. So now we're going to be going in with this powder from Maybelline, and I'm using the shade 10, and this is the new loose powder, and I'm just using that just to highlight all of the areas that we wanted to highlight, which is underneath the eyes, the forehead, the chin and the upper lip, and then also her under eyes. Now I'm going to be going in with the darker color, and this one is in the shade 20, and I'm going to be using a big powder brush and setting all the other areas that we did not. And then we're going to be going ahead and start dusting off that excess powder. Look up, bitch. Just kidding. She knows I love her. But now we're going to be going in with that Hoola Benefit bronzer. And you guys, when I do client makeup, I always normally use a fan brush. I really like this Morphe brush. I do not know the number of it, but it's the white fan brush. I will have it down in the description box below. but I just love this because it just adds a really nice airbrush finish, but also gives her that chisel look that I'm looking for. And you guys, if you guys did not know, I do hair as well. I just style it. I'm not a colorist, or I don't claim to be this amazing hairstylist, but I did do her hair as well, just for the effect of the video, and I wanted you guys to get that before and after effect. It just looks so beautiful. And using that same mustard shade, I'm going to be going underneath her lower lash line, and we're just going to be smoking it out just a little bit, just because I don't like how it looks very blank underneath her lower lash line. Then we're going to go in with some mascara, guys. This is the MAC Give It Back Lash, Giga Black Lash, whatever you want to call it. Now we're going to highlight the inner corner of the eye with that really champagne kind of frosty white. It's a mixture of a frosty white with a champagne, guys. And we're going to be putting that into the inner corner because it's going to add that pop. And that's what we need. And now we're going to be taking a little bit of So Hollywood from Anastasia Beverly Hills. We're going to be highlighting all the key points, which is the cheekbones, a little bit on the upper lip, the bridge of the nose, the chin, and a little bit on the forehead as well, just to add that really glowy, dewy look. And then I'm going to be taking the clips out, and I'm going to be brushing her hair out with my fingers. I already styled it before the video, guys. So now I'm just going to bring all of her hair to the front, maneuver it to the way I want it to look. And that's pretty much it, guys. And then for her lips, all I did was use the Morphe liquid lipstick in the shade Brunch with Jouer's lip topper and skinny dip. That's pretty much it. That's my combo that I love to do. I really love how this video came out, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. I can't thank you guys enough for watching my video. And please share my video with anybody, with all your makeup junkies. And you guys I love you guys so much. And thank you guys so much for the support. And if you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. I love you guys so much. And thank you for being a part of me.